boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. Thank you very, very much. My friends, happy Sunday to you. It's February 9th, 2020. I'm going to give you a quick update. I'm going to try and make this as quick as possible, my friends. As you know, The Scoop is for your education and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. My update, I really want to give you an update, my friends, on HIVE blockchain technology, which is our baby knockout that is basically involved with Ethereum and Bitcoin, and it's cryptocurrency. It's the second largest cryptocurrency under Bitcoin, and it's making a big giant run right now, as you guys know. We are going to have a little pullback, but first, my friends, as you know, The Scoop is for your education and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I write books. My books you can find on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. You can get the a book also at your local library. Just go in and ask your librarian to order some of those Mickey D books. Or you can go to Barnes & Noble. They'll get it for you. If they don't have it, they'll order it for you. You can go to any bookstore, your local bookstore up the street. You can go to any bookstore in the world, my friends, and order one of these books if that's your desire. If you want to get more education when we're talking about these small stocks, especially our specialty, as you know, my friends, we're boots on the ground. We go to these places. We find out exactly what's going on. Over the last year, you know, our marijuana stocks, our cannabis stocks have been in the crapper, my friends. They've been doing not well at all. There's been a bear market. We're in the second year of a bear market when it comes to these marijuana stocks. Sure, we deviate a little bit, go here, go there, do a little bit of something. Some of the managers that I know in some of these small companies that are doing things over my last 30 years or so of trading these things. So you guys know we go back. Baby knockouts are one of our specialties, my friends. Baby knockouts are 25 cents and below. They have the ability to knock out the competition. They're babies right now and really small right now, but they have the ability to really knock out the competition and be number one in that area. We're following a stock right now, and this goes back, guys. This is not a one-trick pony or anything, guys. My first was America Online at under 25 cents. It went up to over $50. We're talking about 1995, 98. You know, during that time, during the dot-coms, my friends, early 2000. We're talking America Online going from under a quarter to over $50, splitting, coming back down, and doing it again. Sometimes twice a year, my friends. Going from 50 to 25, the 2-for-1s were plentiful. We made a whole lot of money, especially during that time. All you need, my friends, is one stock. One little stock can really change your family's lifestyle, and you can start enjoying what you want to enjoy, and just enjoying, your head of the household, man, woman, whatever it may be. Thing. Women. Paulette, thank you very much for that baby knockout. We're looking at it right now. Preliminary findings are they're just using stock to pay themselves. So we'll take a look at it. We'll keep an eye on it, and we'll take a look at that. Congratulations, Carla, you and the Chiefs. So you guys have probably finished partying by now, but that was a great win in last week's Super Bowl. That was really, really good. So congratulations to you and all the Kansas City Chiefs fans out there. I know we have a lot of them, my friends. But getting back to HIVE blockchain, my friends. Okay, that's our horse in the race right now. This Ethereum, as you guys know, it's the second largest cryptocurrency, and their technology, my friends, is being adapted all over the world. So things are happening fast and it's furious right now. And our horse in the race, HIVE blockchain technology, has the ability to actually be an AOL. People were talking about something called email. You'll be able to get your email, your mail. You'll be able to get a letter through the air, and it'll come to your computer. People were saying, scratching their head, what is this email stuff? What is this internet stuff they're talking about? Same thing right now with cryptocurrencies. What are people talking about right now? These cryptocurrencies, this Bitcoin, this blockchain thing. What are they talking about? My friends, you'll be able to do things a lot easier. These smart contracts are just phenomenal. There's things happening right now. Bitcoin will halve coming up here in a few months or so, I believe. And I don't know what the price is going to do to Ethereum, but I do know our HIVE blockchain technologies with Frank Holmes at the head right now, we are in good shape. At 23 cents USD right now, at least about 31 cents or whatever Canadian right now, you are still in good shape. Congratulations to you guys that backed up the train with me and backed up the truck and loaded up at under 10 cents. Congratulations to you guys. You guys are going to have a serious ride, my friends. You're going to have a serious ride. Enjoy the ride. There's going to be ups, and my friends, there's going to be downs. You got to stick with it. It's just like when AOL, you know, when I got into those real estate stocks back in the day. Same thing, my friends. And let's face it. We're a tight-knit, loyal group. So we get way ahead of the curve. That's what we do on the scoop. We get in super duper early. We have a stock right now. We have a company, a baby knockout, which baby knockouts are under 25 cents. We have a baby knockout. We got in at under 10 cents. Baby knockouts have the ability to just destroy the competition. We believe that this management team, and like I said, I met Frank 25 years ago. We believe that this management team has the ability to really get this thing on the right track. They've gotten some of the kinks worked out right now. Ethereum is over $200. We believe it's actually over 220 or so. I just checked just a minute ago. And one thing is Saturdays and Sundays. You guys know I don't do a lot of shows Saturdays and Sundays. And I might do something and then tape it and have it on Saturday or something. But Sunday, this is very, very unusual for the scoop. But my friends, things happen on weekends with Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is 24-hour stuff. This is everyday stuff. I mean, Bitcoin right now is over 10,000, and it's again, shall I say? And this time, there's a possibility it may hold it and it may have a super run. We shall see in due time, my friends. We'll see if there's going to be a super run with Bitcoin and with Ethereum also. But Ethereum over 220 right now. As I speak, it's probably about 226, 227 or so. And we'll see. We anticipate a pullback. We anticipate it holding 220. Or we anticipate it holding 200 or so. And I'll leave notes for you, like on the last video. I'll in the video and stuff. You guys hit like there. Let me know if you guys think that's a good idea for me to kind of do a little synopsis there of the video, and that way you guys can look at it and you don't have to see my wonderful, good-looking. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. But anyway, let me know if you guys want to see that. But we do have, my friends, we do have a powerful, right now, our number one indicator is lining up. The fibs, the Elliott wave, everything is lining up right now for what could be the run of runs for us in 2020. Now, as long as your Ethereum price goes up, as long as the Bitcoin price is still pricey, going up a little bit, we are going to be in good shape with HIVE blockchain technologies. There's been a lot of talk about, do they do Bitcoin? Do they do? Yeah, they just in simple, I would say a third of what they do or less, a third, or really less, is in Bitcoin. The company is a Ethereum mining company. That's what they do. They mine Ether coins. So that's what they do, my friends. So they are out there. They are big. Like I said, everything is lining up right now on this Sunday of February 9th. Everything is lining up for a big, gigantic run. Now, everybody has their, everybody has their price predictions out there. And I'm not going to really get into any price predictions or anything. I'm just looking mainly at what we have. Our horse in the race, which is HIVE blockchain technologies. And I think it's going to do very, very well for us in the long run, my friends. It's going to have its ups. It's going to have its downs. But, I agree with Troy. I don't believe that we're going to see 13 12, 13 cents again. I'm not confident that we're going to get under 10 again, where you guys will have another opportunity to back the truck up, my friends. But if something happens and, something happens dealing with China, let's face it, Southeast Asia is really one of the areas that's propping up Ethereum and Bitcoin. So, well, not Ethereum, but mainly Bitcoin, because they do a lot of the mining there. And if if the country shuts down, then of course it may have an effect on the Bitcoin price. So we'll see. Time will tell, my friends. And we have patience, like we always do. We're in there. We're in it to win it. We're going to be patient, and we're going to do what we have to do, my friends. That's it. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. I have some links for you to the books. We are waiting for our marijuana stocks to come back to life, which, my friends, in all honesty, you guys, I keep it 100. There's not a bull in sight. I can tell you that right now. There's not a bull in sight in the marijuana industry. So people were telling you, oh, we've hit the bottom. Oh, we've hit the bottom. How many times have people been how many times have you heard that? You haven't heard it on the scoop, and that's why we're small, and we're a loyal group. I'm loyal to you guys. You are my family. We are the Scoop family, So I'm gonna keep it real. I was in this business. I bought these marijuana stocks when they were super low. There's not another opportunity, my friends, to buy these things at 5 cents and 8 cents and 10 cents and 30 cents and 20 cents. You're not going to buy IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, as a teenager again, like we did, my friends. I'm keeping it real. That's not going to happen. You're not going to be able to buy Canopy, my friends, at $2 and $3. It's not going to happen again. If it happens again, it's on the bottom. America's not going to legalize. It's a foregone conclusion. They're going to stop. They're going to start shutting down all the dispensaries. They're going to get some stone cold. Sessions is back and all that kind of stuff, and he's got his crew, and they're going to shut this thing down. That's the only way you're going to get these prices that low again. So it was a one-time shot. The same thing right now, my friends, after a run up to $4 and $5 and $6 and $8 and $30. These companies like Riot Blockchain, these companies like these Ethereum, these Bitcoin companies, some of these companies out there that have run way up, and now they're back down. This is a second chance at the app. I've been waiting for a second chance for IIPR at $66 or so. 60. I don't think I'm going to get it. I may get it. We'll see. Time will tell, my friends. But these particular stocks right now, these Bitcoin, these Ethereum, there's very few out there, and I believe we have the best. We have a low risk way of playing the market, with the potential big time gain, So that's where we are, my friends. Like I said, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. Thank you for joining me on the Scoop, my friends. Love you. God bless you. On this Sunday, you take care of you and your family. We're going to have a great, great week, my friends. If we go parabolic, my friends, and you're up 100, 200, 300, 500%, please consider taking profits, my friend. I can't tell you what exactly. I can't tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a stockbroker. But I take profits, my friends, because Wall Street will come back and Wall Street will cut your throat. You'll go from being up 100% one day to just going out and enjoying yourself with you and your family. Days later, you look at your account, you're down 20%. That's the way Wall Street is. So keep an eye on it. Have a plan, my friends, and work your plan. God bless you. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Take care. Happy Sunday.